Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. If you are just joining me for the first time, so welcome to my channel. My channel is all about creating t-shirt designs, not just t-shirt designs all round, designs that make you passive income. Yes, you heard me right, passive income from print on demand. And I'm focused on that. Yes, focus on making this t-shirt design for you, because yes, we can never stop putting on a good t-shirt, a trendy t-shirt. So this is all my channel is about. So if you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any video upload. Yes, thank you all to all my supporters who have followed me from day one. We're talking January 2020. We've come far a while. 809 followers. My 800 subscriber was Charlie P. Case. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. So with this said, we're just going to go straight into today's video. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to drag this video too long because I know you guys have a lot of things to do. So we're just going to go straight right into it. So I'm going to open canva.com. Yes, I use canva.com for my design. This is going to be a super easy design. It's not going to take your time. It's going to be super easy. So we're going to be doing this one for you. So now you see it's opened. You click on create a design, custom dimension, the standard. Some already know, some don't know. For 500 by 5400. You get the drill now. So you click on create a new design. Yes, it's straightforward. We're going to do this super fast. It's not going to waste time. So please don't click off. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro in this video. So make sure you stick around so that you don't miss that at all. It's super easy. So to start with this one, it's going to be super sweet. Yes, there are some tricks on Canva you guys don't know. Few know, but few don't know. So what we're going to do is to search for, let's do letter frame. Let's go to text. Let's do letter frame. Let's do letter frame. Let's do letter frame. Okay. So we're not getting something up from this. So we'll just go. Let's copy this. So let's do image. Let's see. Okay, let's just get it done. So I'm gonna pause this video and find it for you, so just stick around with me. Okay, so we'll go to element, search for letter frame. So when you click, you see these are letter frames. So all we have to do is to bring in our letter. For this one, I'm gonna do an M. As you can see, it's quite big, so I'm gonna reduce this. I'm going to reduce this. I don't want it this big. Yes, this is okay. So I'm just going to move this like so. So this one is going to say MI. So bring in the I. You get the drill. We just want it to blend in. Okay. We just want it to blend in. Just like that. So we'll just blend that in. So after that, we look for an L. We'll bring in the L. We reduce that too. Just put it side by side. So just stick around with me. By now, you guys can guess what we're trying to put up here. So let's look for A. Make sure you stick around. Make sure you stick around. Make sure you stick around. It's not going to take us a lot of time. Not going to take us a lot of time, I can promise you that. So this one is going to be like that. Then I'll look for my last letter, which is an N. As you can see, letter frames are free on Canva, but the text we're going to be using in is going to be paid. I don't want to use a free text for that. So as you can all see, it says Milan. So now let's go to photos. And we're just going to search for Milan. So let's search for Milan. Just gonna find one cool picture of Milan and use that in our design. I like this night sky, so let's see if we can find one. Let's see if we can find one night sky design for Milan. So we can just keep going. Sooner or later we're going to find one. Canva has a lot of images you can choose from. I would have loved this, but it's not a night sky, so we're going to use this. So as you can see, it's on the M. So let's do it for the M2, as you can see. So we're going to do, you can see how it's going into this design. You can see how it's going into the design. So you can see, say it's Milan. I will just drag that in like so. It's super easy, not complicated. It's super easy fix. You can see how cool looking it is. You can see it didn't take us much time to do this. So now we see we have the Milan. So now we're not done yet, so we're just gonna put with love. So let's go to text and find a kind of signature text. We just want that under. So let's use this. So let's click on that. So we have that. So we're just gonna drag that out. So we'll double tap. So we're leaving that. So let's ungroup this first because we don't want the top layered one. So we just delete that. Control delete. So now we are left with this. Double tap. I like that. We're just gonna do with love. Okay, so now we have that. So just do it like so. So now you see we have our design. It did not take us much time. This is just 7 minutes in. I will have Milan with love. So you can see how easy this design is. Yes, we use the Pro images. So if you want to get Canva Pro for yourself, make sure you check the first link in the description. You're going to get Canva Pro 30 days free on me. Yes, you heard me right. 30 days, 100% free on me. You heard me right. So now that we have that all set up for ourselves, we can decide to group them together if we want to, or just use them the way they are. So we can decide to use them. Then we go to downloads, hit the transparent background. This is a Pro feature. So if you want that, make sure you check the first link in the description to get Canva Pro for 30 days. If you don't already have Canva Pro on me for 30 days already, make sure you check the first link together for yourself. Hit the download button. It's going to download it right about now. It's going to download it for us. So we're going to get it now. So let's wait for it to download. Yes, it's a kind of complicated but simple design. It took us about 8 minutes. We are 8 minutes in, and you can see it's preparing our download. Once it's done preparing our downloads, we're going to get that downloaded and we can see it for ourselves. So let's watch that come in play. So let's show ourselves these downloads. This should be it. So let's wait for it. See, Milan with love. So you can see it has this, there's no background, which you want if you're serious about print on the one. You don't want the background. And you can see Milan with love. It took us just 8 minutes to get this done. It's not hard, and you can see it's quite easy. So all you have to do now is to open your Redbubble page, your Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon. Open those accounts if you don't already have those accounts up. Open them. For Match by Amazon, it's invite only, so it's going to take you more time. So I'll tell you to focus on your Redbubble, TeePublic, and Teespring. Open those sites and start uploading your design. You can make different designs. You can make different cities, different. If you want to be niche down, you just want to keep on making city kind of designs, you can continue to do that. Make all these designs and post them. Post as much as possible. You can do 50 designs a day. You're good to go. Just keep posting them and you're good to go. To your right, you'll see a playlist which compasses of all my other designs. If you're interested in this, make sure you click to your right, watch those playlists and enjoy yourself while I see you on my next video. Stay safe. One love. I'm always with you. I hope you're with me on this. I love you all. Stay blessed.